Hello everyone, in this lesson you will be able to tell time to the nearest 5 minutes. So to start, I want to show you that when you see a clock, the clock is read. That's why people say clockwise, because you read it this way. And as you can see, the hours are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Those are the hours. And when we are referring to the hours, we use the hour hand, which is the shorthand. Now let's look at the minutes, and that is something that you need to study. So when we're looking at the minutes, we're going to count by fives. As you can see, when we start here in the 1, this is going to represent 5. Because as you see these little dots, there are 4 here, and then we count to 5. Then we count, when you get to the 2, it's going to say 10. Then 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. When we get to 60, we don't say, oh, it's 60. We say, like in this case, we would say it's 9 o'clock. So whenever the long hand, which is the minute hand, gets to the 12, it's o'clock. So if the shorthand was in the 6 and the long hand was in the 12, it would be 6 o'clock. So that's something you will get used to as time progresses. So let's try to figure out some of the exercises together. Let's do number 6 first. For this one, we are going to look at the hour hand and then the minute hand. That's how we read time. That's one way to read time. So if we look at the hour hand, it's already past the 12. If you see this hour hand, it got to the 12. I mean, it looks like it already passed the 12. And I want you to remember that when we tell time, it is clockwise, which is going to the right. So the hour hand just passed the 12, which means it's sometime after 12. So we're going to write 12 here. And we talked about the minute hand. The minute hand is pointing to the 1, which means that if it's pointing to the 1, is 5. So it will be 12:05. I'm going to write 05 here. I want you to try number 6. Let's work it. You can work it. Pause the video and try it on your own. What you're going to do is you're going to place the hour hand and the minute hand where you think they should go. So go ahead. Now I'm going to do it with you. So let's see. We said in the prior video, in the prior part, that we have the 7. We look at the hour hand. So we see that it says 7 something, which means it already passed 7. So I have to see where it would go, because 10 in the minute hand, if you see here, 10 is only on the 2. So it will not be, the 7 will not have gone too far. So I'll place it really close to the 7, the best I can. That will be the minute hand, the hour hand. Now I'm going to do the minute hand. I'm going to try to do a different color so you guys can see it. It's the purple. All right, so now the minute hand should show the minutes. And if I refer to my chart here, if I want to have it on the minute hand, it would be pointing to the 2 since it's 10. This is something that just needs to take practice. Just point to the 2. So it would be, that says 7:10. So the shorthand would be, or the small hand would be in the pointing to the hour, and the long hand will be pointing to the minutes. You will not see 10 here, but you will have to remember that every time that you count the minutes, it is counted by 5s for now. Alright, so I hope this video was helpful, and please share it with your friends so that they can also learn like you.